On today's adventure, we're going for a ride on the Dragonflier roller coaster inside of Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This first opened in 2019 as part of their Wildwood Grove expansion. It hits a top speed of 46 miles per hour, and the ride itself is about 1 minute long. Before we hop on the ride, I did want to show you the Dragonflier seat. You got this pull-down bar. You only have to be 39 inches to ride this family coaster, and if you're under 48 inches, you have to have somebody 14 years old with you. And here is a look at the line queue. They do have some fans in the summertime with some shade and some heating elements up above in the cooler months, but let's buckle in and go for a ride on the Dragonflier.
I like this ride. Look at the fountains and everything, it looks so nice. But I like Thunderhead. Look at the views of Thunderhead you get. Alright, here we go. That one is... Woo!
If you've been on the Dragonflier, let us know what you think about it down in the comments. If you're planning a trip to Dollywood, we do hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that thumbs up button down below and make sure you are subscribed for more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.